The hydrologic cycle. This unique substance, water, essential to life and finite in amount, is distributed very unevenly on, in, and above Earth. The great bulk of all moisture, more than 99%, is in storage, in oceans, lakes, and streams, locked up as glacial ice, or held in rocks below Earth's surface. The proportional amount of moisture in these various storage reservoirs is relatively constant over thousands of years. Only during an ice age is there a notable change in these components. During periods of glaciation, the volume of the oceans becomes smaller as the ice sheets grow and the level of atmospheric water vapor diminishes. Then, during deglaciation, the ice melts, the volume of the oceans increases as the meltwater flows into them, and there is an increase in atmospheric water vapor. The remaining small fraction, less than 1% of Earth's total moisture, is involved in an almost continuous sequence of movement and change, the effects of which are absolutely critical to life on this planet. This tiny portion of the Earth's water supply moves from one storage area to another, from ocean to air, from air to ground, and so on, in what we call the hydrologic cycle. This cycle can be viewed as a series of storage areas interconnected by various transfer processes in which there is a ceaseless interchange of moisture in terms of both its geographic location and its physical state. Liquid water on Earth's surface evaporates to become water vapor in the atmosphere. That vapor then condenses and precipitates, either as liquid water or as ice back onto the surface. This precipitated water then runs off into storage areas and later evaporates into the atmosphere once again. As this is a closed, circular system, we can begin the discussion at any point. It is perhaps clearest to start with the movement of moisture from Earth's surface into the atmosphere. Most of the moisture that enters the atmosphere from Earth's surface does so through evaporation. Transpiration is the source of the remainder. The oceans, of course, are the principal source of water for evaporation. They occupy 71% of the Earth's surface, have unlimited moisture available for ready evaporation, and are extensive in low latitudes, where considerable heat and wind movement facilitate evaporation. As a result, an estimated 84% of all evaporated moisture is derived from ocean surfaces. The 16% that comes from land surfaces include the twin processes of evaporation and transpiration. Water vapor from evaporation remains in the atmosphere a relatively short time, usually only a few hours or days. During that interval, however, it may move a considerable distance, either vertically through convection or horizontally through advection, driven by wind currents. And that's the hydrologic cycle. Have a great day.